Create game with
Stay
AI,
frosty, you
free
guys.
and
This is the
unlimited
Wild
within
West.
2
I'll
minutes.
tell you that.
No skills required, anyone can do. Just
Watch
type any
those alleys.
idea and AI will automatically create PS5 level complete AI game according to your idea, like this one.
Are they on?
Negative. They're just watching us.
I bet they're scouting us. Yeah, but that don't mean we can shoot them.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't see Jack!
All division. This is Sergeant Foley. Prepare to engage. We're taking sniper fire from multiple directions.
Speed him up!
We got a ton of contacts. Front back. Front back.
First ever AI app that can build addictive PS5 level online video games like Fortnite, GTA and more, in just minutes. 100% done for you game creation suite. AI creates your entire game, levels, characters, dialogues, storylines, mechanics, and graphics, all done for you in just a few clicks. Design jaw-dropping 3D worlds, action-packed gameplay, missions, tournaments, battle royales, and more with console-level graphics. And launch your games live on your custom gaming portals. Monetizes every game automatically. You will find the link in description and first comment. Stay connected till the end, I will show you everything in details. And if you will find my video helpful, please give a like, comment, share. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So anyone can now create a new revenue stream, no coding, no design, no experience needed. Let's log in straightly to the dashboard. You will find all necessary options on left menu. To create first game, click to AI Game Creator option. Now on Idea box, write your idea. Here I am writing, create third-person shooter game where player shoots enemies coming out of the street toilets. And wait for few minutes to AI create game for us. Let's see the result. This is insane. Just prompt and instantly creates PS5 level game and unbelievable. Let's create another game. I am writing, create side-scrolling shooter game where player selects avatar then shoots enemies and avoid obstacles. Wait and see what AI will do for us. Wow, this game seems Metal Slug to me. This AI is really incredible, you should try at least once in your life. I will give link and a coupon code in description. One-time payment, no recurring costing and 30 days money-back guarantee. This AI have few features you can use, like AI Game Buddy is for generating game ideas. Here I am writing, help me brainstorm creative game ideas and gameplay tips, give me a step-by-step guide. And enter and this AI will provide me assistant. But this feature is not so much powerful, rather I recommend to use ChatGPT for game idea. Another helpful option is a game title and AI game description to create your game title and game description in one click with AI. I am writing, create a compelling summary for a fast-paced racing game, select length and click generate button and see result. This AI is so powerful. And also there are few stunning features in this AI. I am not explaining everything, rather you try yourself. And here is the coupon code for $3 instant discount. AI GameBuilder 3. And let's see another game I have just made with this AI. So, I recommend you to try this AI for yourself with money-back guarantee. So try it today. And thank you for watching this video. If this video helped, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.